कि आपका रियल लाइफ में भी कटा है ना, कटा है भाई, रियल लाइफ में भी कटा है। मैं उसके घर पे रोज कॉल करता था कि आज ऐसा आज आएगी क्या, और मैं रोया था। मैं तो यार कमरे में खुद को बंद करके बहुत रोया था। इतना बड़ा पैराग्राफ लिखा है, एक स्माइली आ गया, क्या करूँगा। उसको लगा कि ये तो एक्टर इसमें एटीट्यूड होगा, तो उसने मुझे एटीट्यूड दिखाया। यार स्कूल के बाद मिलते हाथ पकड़ते, तो यू नो दैट वाज, एंड वी यूज्ड टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू दैट। फिजिकल टच इज आल्सो समथिंग, आई लाइक हगिंग, शोइंग माय अफेक्शन दैट वे।
शादी कब कर रहे हो?
वो तो टाइम है, वो तो टाइम है।
Hello everybody, this is Manisha. Welcome back to the Social Nation show where we get candid with your favorite artists. Now today's guest bowled us over with his acting debut as the kid in Ferrari Ki Savari. He wrestled his way into our hearts in Dangal. Since then he's been the face of young love in flames. He brought us awkward laughs and left us hooked with roles in Indori Ishq and Campus Diaries. A natural on-screen, super chill off-screen, Hrithvik Sahor is here to chat about his journey, his craft, and what makes him the star performer that he is. Now, he is a heartbreaker by looks and heartbroken by his characters. Welcome today, Hrithvik Sahor. Hi.
Thank
hello.
you so much. That was such a nice introduction. That's really nice. Thank you so much.
Oh, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Yeah, after this introduction, I'm feeling even better. It's really good. Yeah.
Oh, damn. Okay. Now, we always start our interviews with this one question that's asked by our audience, which is what my fans don't know. So, you need to tell us one fact about yourself or one kissa that is still not out there on the internet that your fans would not know. What is the one thing?
One thing about me that I think only a few people who are very close to me know. Of course, क्योंकि अब मैं जिस profession में भी हूँ, you need to be out there.
Yeah.
But वैसे I'm a very shy person.
I don't believe that for some reason.
Exactly. See, right?
No
See,
way.
वो अभी काम करते करते I've opened up, of course, but मतलब जब मैं छोटा था, like my mom dad used to tell me this कि मैं जब छोटा था कि कहीं हम family get together या कहीं जाते थे, तो लोग मुझसे पूछते थे कि मतलब मेरे मम्मी पूछते थे कि ये बात नहीं करता क्या, बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू बी विद माई सेल्फ, मैं किसी से बात नहीं करता था, अपने में रहता था, कोई पूछ ले कुछ तो जवाब दे देता था. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बिन दैट किड एंड मतलब अभी मैं नहीं कहूँगा मैं उतना इंट्रोवर्टेड हूँ, बट आई स्टिल प्रेफर माई ओन स्पेस. आई लाइक माई क्लोज सेट ऑफ पीपल, आई इंजॉय स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद माई सेल्फ, सो आई एम दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. मतलब आप मुझे बोलो कि आज ब्रेक डे है घर पे रह ले या पार्टी करने, आई प्रेफर स्टेइंग एट होम, दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन. हाँ मतलब हार्ट ब्रेक तो मेरा भी हुआ है लाइफ में. ये कि मुझसे पूछते रहते कि आपका रियल लाइफ में भी कटा है ना, कटा है भाई, रियल लाइफ में भी कटा है फॉर श्योर. सो या
हाउ डिड यू इवन कम थ्रू, आई मीन गो थ्रू दैट होल स्टेज? जब कट जाता है तो क्या करते हो?
यार बड़ा खराब तो मतलब लाइफ में पहली बार हुआ था ऐसा कुछ. व्हेन यू एक्सपीरियंस दोज इमोशंस की यू नो वो यू फील इट फिजिकली, वो जो पेन होता है ना फॉर सम रीजन. मतलब और मैं रोया था, मैं तो यार कमरे में खुद को बंद करके बहुत रोया था.
How old were you?
I was in the 10th grade.
16? That is,
yeah, 15.
Okay.
And तो तब मैं भयंकर रोया था और and I didn't know how to cope with it because कोई you know रूल बुक तो आती नहीं है कि ऐसे करो ये करो. तो तभी बड़ा वो था यार कि क्या होगा. And then so I remember जो जस्ट दूसरा लड़का था इन द इक्वेशन, he knew how to play the guitar.
Oh
so
no!
That's how I, you know, after that I picked up the guitar. Like, you know, now I'll also play the guitar.
That is why you started learning? No way.
Somewhere, yes, somewhere.
Oh wow.
So that happened, but of course with time you, but I'm also glad that it happened. क्योंकि now when I look back, it मतलब मुझे अपने बारे में काफी कुछ पता चला, मेरे फीलिंग्स के बारे में, इमोशंस के बारे में, कि मुझे क्या चीज़ें हर्ट कर सकती हैं, क्या आई एम ओके विद, क्या मुझे खुशी देती हैं. एंड यू नो, और वो एक टाइम होता है ना when it's your first love and you know you try and like you push everyone aside, like that person is your whole life and family, friends सब. तो मैंने भी वो किया था. And after that when these people were only there to help me get through it, right, to support me, that's when I realized कि यार तो ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने सीखी कि यार ठीक है, it's a part of your life, but you know you don't have to dive all in.
I can't believe the introduction was itself this
Yeah.
heavy. Why?
Yeah.
Okay, now to lighten the mood, I have
Yes.
something. Now you are the greenest of green flags in most of your shows. You're the one whose heart is broken normally.
Right.
So now I will give you a few situations. You need to tell me if it's a red flag or a green flag.
Got
just to lighten the mood. The first one is they post everything about your relationship on social media.
Red flag for me.
Why?
I like to keep these things private. मतलब of course बताओ कि you're seeing that person या जो भी, but I feel मतलब अब जब सारी चीज़ें बाहर डालते हो तो एक तो मुझे लगता है नज़र भी लगती है, वो मेरा थोड़ा एक है, एंड दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि आई फील देन इट बिकम्स एवरीवन्स बिजनेस. लाइक देन इफ you're going through a rough patch also, or like a whatever, it's between the two of us, right? But then everyone comes and comments on it, and then
Correct.
they take sides and all that, which shouldn't be the case, right?
Correct.
तो मुझे लगता है कि वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है, of course post, but like not every small
Just to
detail.
let people know कि हाँ
हाँ
you're
ये
dating is
है,
fine.
ये है, and of course in happiness you want to post. I also like posting that way, but जो हर एक चीज़ की आज ये किया या वो किया, वो मुझे थोड़ा लगता है कि
But now that I think of it, are you open about your relationships on your social?
no, I'm not.
नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
Okay, that's why.
Yeah.
Makes sense. The second one is they send memes as their primary form of communication.
Green flag. I don't.
अरे, what?
I don't mind it. I also love memes. I also like.
अरे but primary, imagine it's only.
अच्छा, only that.
हाँ,
The
primary
only form of
form.
communication. नहीं. Of course,
thank
then that's a
God.
red flag. like कुछ अच्छा बोलूँगा फिर मीम आ जाएगा, कुछ बुरा बोलूँगा मीम आ जाएगा.
The thing is, then there's no difference between a friend and a.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Fair.
Okay.
But that'll be funny for sure.
Yeah. Then the third one is they're still friends with their ex.
Oh, that's a tough one. Oh, that's a red flag for me.
Why has anything happened?
Not happened, but I feel it's unnecessarily complicating things. I feel. But वो situation के ऊपर है यार, मतलब if I find कि ठीक है they're genuinely friends, then okay, fine. But I won't be 100% okay with it ever.
Of
that
course.
way. Because you've shared that with someone and then you're with someone now, but they're still there, so थोड़ा weird
ये
है.
तो नजर तो हमेशा रहेगी लड़की
कि मतलब हाँ जो भी हो सकता है.
Okay. Now the next one is they use abbreviations like ILY instead of saying I love you.
That's okay. Green मतलब
Doesn't matter.
they're not a red flag for sure. Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, the next one is they ghost you for 2 days and then reply with sorry I was busy with work. Would you give them the benefit of the doubt? or
Yeah,
would you
I
be
would.
like,
But if this keeps on happening, then it's a red flag.
तब तो शक होगा.
तब तो
of
होगा.
course.
हाँ.
The next one is they reply to your texts with only emojis.
With only emoji, red flag है of course. इतना बड़ा पैराग्राफ लिखा है, एक स्माइली आ गया, क्या करूँगा मैं उसका?
Correct. The last one is they take selfies during arguments to capture the moment.
What? Then we won't be arguing about what we are arguing. We'll argue about this. But
Yeah, you be like मैं तुझसे लड़ाई कर रहा हूँ और
हाँ,
pictures ले रही है.
pictures क्यों ले रही है? But I don't know, like yeah, red flag probably.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Okay. Now coming to my next question, you've always obviously spoken about how you started off your career. That is the director of Ferrari Ki Sawari saw you in a mall at McT. So I want to know, everybody knows this version of the story, but is there something about this story that you've never mentioned before? Is there another version or something that's still not out there?
Never mentioned यार. मतलब probably I've not spoken about it in full detail because it's a long story.
Yeah.
But there were things that like मतलब that's how I started believing in destiny also when that happened. And मैं आपको बताऊँ मतलब उस दिन मेरे ना जाने के 100 reasons थे और एक ही reason था जाने का कि चलो break हो जाती from पढ़ाई, right? So it was a Friday evening, I was studying for my math exam.
Yeah.
Monday को मेरा एग्जाम था, मैथ में बहुत ख़राब था, जैसे मैं हर इंटरव्यू में बोलता हूँ मैं ख़राब था बहुत ज़्यादा, है ना? और मैं टेंशन भी बहुत लेता था. मतलब ख़राब तो था ही पर टेंशन भी लेता था कि अरे यार ख़राब भी है ना, स्ट्रेस. तो मैं वो स्ट्रेस में पढ़ाई कर रहा था और घर का काम चल रहा था, मम्मी पापा जा रहे थे और मैं घर के शॉर्ट्स और टी शर्ट में ऐसे ही बैठा हुआ था और मम्मी पापा ने बोला कि चल ले ब्रेक हो जाएगा एंड देन यू कम बैक एंड स्टडी. तो ऑफर टेम्पटिंग था बट आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं यार अब गया तो जो पढ़ाई हो पा रही है वो भी नहीं होगी, राइट? वो 1 घंटा होता है बट वो 2-3 घंटे निकल जाते हैं.
Correct.
So they were like okay, they left and I remember like घर के बाहरी लॉबी में लिफ्ट के लिए रुके थे एंड मुझे पता नहीं क्या हुआ, लाइक यार चलते हैं और मैं वैसे ही शॉर्ट्स और टी शर्ट में घर के ही कपड़ों में
Also like a last minute thing.
लास्ट मिनट एंड आई रिमेंबर लाइक लिफ्ट के अंदर वो लोग घुस गए और मैं बाहर कर रहा हूँ, सोच रहा हूँ कि पढ़ लूँ जाऊँ लाइक छोड़ो चलो आई गो. सो वी वेंट टू अनदर मॉल. वहाँ जो चाहिए था नहीं मिला, किस्मत से नहीं मिला. फिर हमने बोला कि अब उस टाइम भी कुछ भी हो सकता था कि छोड़ो घर चलते हैं कल देख लेंगे, बट देवर लाइक कि नहीं चल ये मॉल चलते हैं, यहाँ पे ये है वहाँ मिल जाएगा. सो वी वेंट देयर, वी वेंट टू हब मॉल इन मलाड, वी गॉट व्हाटएवर एंड वो भी हो गया, फिर नीचे मैकडॉनल्ड्स था,
हम्म
तो नीचे मैकडॉनल्ड्स दिखा तो, और मेरा छोटा भाई भी है और वो नहीं आया था उस दिन। तो यूजुअली क्या होता है कि वो नहीं होता या मैं नहीं होता तो मम्मी बोलती है नहीं जब सारे होंगे तब चलेंगे या कुछ करेंगे। तो मैंने जिद करी मैकडॉनल्ड्स खाते हैं, बट उस दिन वो भी मान गए
ओके
कि मैकडॉनल्ड्स भी खाते हैं। Then I went to get my order and we did all of that. Then the assistant director also came there to have dinner
या
and he saw me. हो सकता था वो भी ना आते उस दिन शायद. So you know all of these things, like everything was like I still can't believe it.
इट ऑल फिट
It all fit. Every piece of the puzzle fit. And then he came, he approached her. और हमारे साथ पहले ऐसे हो चुका था कि मॉल में किसी ने पेरेंट्स को बोला था कि इससे एड्स कराओ या मॉडलिंग कराओ और पैसे मांगे थे और पैसे दिए और फिर वो भाग गए थे। तो हमारे साथ ये स्कैम हो चुका था या मॉल में ठीक है। तो उन्होंने जब अप्रोच किया तो माय पेरेंट्स वाज स्केप्टिकल कि यार फिर से वही हो जाएगा, हम भुगत चुके हैं काफ़ी। देन जो रोहन मापुस्कर असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर थे उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं भाई ये लो कार्ड, मैं कोई पैसे नहीं मांग रहा, आप बस एक बार आ जाओ मेरे लिए, देन इट्स अप टू यू, इफ यू डोंट लाइक इट डोंट कम अगेन। सो देन माय पेरेंट्स आस्क्ड मी कि तुझे करना है क्या? मैं तो मन में सोचा दोस्तों को बताऊंगा ये सब, हाँ फ्लेक्स करूंगा। बोला हाँ करना है। एंड द नेक्स्ट डे आई वेंट, देयर वर ऑल दीज एस्टैब्लिश्ड चाइल्ड एक्टर्स एंड रियली फिनोमिनल एक्टर्स, सब यू नो मेरी उम्र के। एंड मेरे को लगा भाई कोई चांस नहीं है, जो हो रहा है जितना हो रहा है कर लो और टेक इट एज एन एक्सपीरियंस एंड जस्ट मूव ऑन इन लाइफ। तो वो हुआ और फिर उनका 1 महीने कोई कॉल नहीं आया।
ओह नो। हाँ,
और फिर मेरे को कहीं अटैचमेंट तो हो गई थी कि यार लाइक यू नो यू होप कि काश एक कुछ हो जाए। फिर 1 महीने बाद उनका कॉल आया कि यू नो देयर इज अनदर राउंड हैपनिंग, वीड लाइक हिम टू कम। देन आई टेस्टेड अगेन, देन ऐसा 1 महीने और फिर देन आई टेस्टेड अगेन।
ओह डैम।
एंड मिस्टर मुकेश आवड़ा वाज टेकिंग माय
ओह वाओ
वर्कशॉप्स एंड Shweta Tripathi was assisting him at that time.
Whoa,
Yeah, so they were
that's
taking my
mad.
workshops. Yes, all of us kids. So that was a really fun time. And then I saw Sharman sir there. Then I saw, I think Sanjay Dutt sir also was there. I don't remember, but so that was like, oh, ये मैं कहाँ आ गया हूँ? You know, that was kind of a bad moment for me.
12 years old.
I was 12, yeah. But you know, it was like a dream. Like कि इनको सबको screen में देखा नहीं, you know, I can see them in front of me right now. So that also somewhere enamored me, and eventually it all came down to like 2 people, me and another guy. वो एक्टर भी बहुत अच्छा था और उससे क्रिकेट भी अच्छा खेलना आता था। मेरा एक्टिंग में कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था और मुझे क्रिकेट नहीं आती थी। But then they trained me for cricket for about 3 months.
Oh wow.
And that's when I got the part. So it was a long, you know, 6-month journey, and they auditioned about 18,000 kids, at least that's what I remember.
That's why it took so many months.
Yeah. But you know, I mean, just one step could have gone wrong that night,
Yeah.
and things would be so different for
And
me.
did you pass the maths exam that you were studying
नहीं,
for?
उसमें तो
नहीं?
मैं हट गया। नहीं, पास कर गया, but 1-2 मार्क्स से पास हुआ। तभी तो वो क्या था, पास भी नहीं हुआ, उनका कॉल भी नहीं आया।
I know, shit.
दोनों ही गए।
Okay.
But
Now, since you started off also young, I think it's for child actors especially, once you start growing, you start getting fame a little early, success a little early. It's very easy कि लग जाता है दिमाग पे, and you get a little भटक जाते हो कि हाँ success has hit my head now. So you're also known to be humble. So how do you keep that ground when success hits your head? Because you started off only young.
Yeah, I think that credit goes to my parents, like my family and my friends. That's, I mean, because पहली चीज़ वो होती है कि जब ऐसा कुछ होता है तो it's the surroundings that make it more कि अरे तू ये तू तो वो है, you know, फिर आपके सर पे चढ़ता है।
Exactly.
Right? You feel happy about the achievement, but then when things change around you, that's when you feel like कि अरे ये हो रहा है। But I remember like Ferrari की सवारी के premiere की राती, my family was super happy, very proud, but you know, they took me to the side and told me कि ठीक है, like this is great, you've done great, but तू घर पे ऋत्विक ही है, like actor होगा तू घर के बाहर, घर पे ऋत्विक ही अभी भी तू, you know, you'll go out and तू सब्जी लाएगा, तू काम करेगा, तू घर पे सब काम करेगा, तो you don't, there's nothing different that's going to happen for you. And same with my friends, मतलब मेरा आज भी जो मेरे best friends है, they're my friends from before Ferrari also, and they never changed, you know, and that's how I like it. So it never really occurred to me that way, and I'm also a person, yaar, see, my life, I could have never even imagined all of this.
True.
You know, a 12-year-old Ritwik could have never imagined all of this happening to him. So I'm only grateful, yaar. Matlab because I've been a fan of people, right?
Yeah.
I've been a fan, and I know how it feels when someone probably clicks a picture with you or doesn't click a picture with you, right? So I don't want to do it. This is the only way I can show my love and affection to my audience, right?
Correct.
If they're taking out the time watching my shows, giving me so much love, this is the least I can do. And it gives me happiness also. So there's no ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि एक्टर हो तो आप कुछ और हो या कुछ, you're just doing a job.
It's just surrounding yourself with the right people.
Right people, and yeah, not like just enjoying it and not having that superiority wala thing.
Fair.
Yeah.
So now, like from then you obviously saw with Ferrari, then Dangal happened, Lakhon Mein Ek happened, Gauru happened. Now all of these were still on a very serious side.
Right.
Now what hit after that? You finally did something that completely changed the scene for you and us as an audience, where all of us started looking at you as the chocolate boy who was Flames.
Right.
So I want to talk a little about Flames. Take us back to the sets of Flames. How was day one? How was meeting Tanya? What were the behind the scenes of this beautiful show?
Yeah, it was. So the first season, when you see the first season, right? The feeling that you get of like, that warm fuzzy feeling. I remember Flames one as that, like the whole series. And I remember I had just done Lakhon Mein Ek. Lakhon Mein Ek had just come out.
Okay.
And I got a call from the Timeliners, Delhi, and they told me that they have a script. And when I read the script, I initially said no.
Okay.
Because it was a rough draft.
Okay.
And I personally, तब मुझे नहीं पसंद आई थी. But then they were like, no, this is not the final draft. We're working on it. Like, don't take a call right now. We'll send you another one. Then you make a decision. Yeah. तो फिर जब मैंने वो second draft पढ़ा ना, I was blown away, and I was like, यार ये तो करना. And I had never done anything on YouTube. The first season came on YouTube, and
yeah,
I had no idea. But I was so drawn to the script. I was like, this is so simple yet so beautiful, right?
True.
So I would love to be a part of it. And that's how I got that part. And I remember I was in Himachal with my friend. हम लोग trip पे गए थे. And trip से आते ही अगले दिन मुझे दिल्ली के लिए निकलना था for like एक दिन reading थी, and then we started the shoot for Flame season 1. Yeah. And that was my first time in Delhi. I'd never been to Delhi before.
Oh wow.
So I land in Delhi. I meet Tanya. I meet Sonakshi. And then I meet Shivam, जो पांडु का रोल प्ले करते हैं. और शिवम और मेरी पहली मीटिंग बड़ी ऑफ थी. क्योंकि उसको लगा कि ये तो एक्टर इसमें एटीट्यूड होगा, तो उसने मुझे एटीट्यूड दिखाया. और मैं मिला, मैंने बोला ये कैसा अजीब सा बंदा एटीट्यूड क्यों दिखा रहा है. तो मैंने ही बोला मैं भी इसका एटीट्यूड. तो हम लोग का वो चल रहा था एक दिन. ठीक है.
Why did this happen?
I don't know. And then ये देख लो ना, कितनी मतलब गाय फ्रेंडशिप की सिंप्लिसिटी आप देख लो. तो ये हमारी टसल चल रही है और मुझे भी नहीं पता कि क्यों एटीट्यूड दिखा रहा है, किस बात का है ना. मैं तो कुछ करा भी नहीं. तो हम रीडिंग्स कर रहे हैं और फिर उसने ऐसे पूछा कि कहाँ गया था. मतलब यार पहाड़ों में गया था, हिमाचल गया था. ओ तू भी पहाड़ गया था यार, मुझे भी पहाड़ पसंद है. अरे भाई भाई करके हम दोस्त बन गए. So that's how it started, right? And so that was the experience. And then we were shooting in the winters in Delhi. वो हीटर वाले रूम, सुबह आ रहे हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं, छोले भटूरे, फिर शूट कर रहे हैं, and working with these, very small team also, like a family. We were shooting in one place. तो बहुत मजा आया था यार, like, and like romancing on screen is like something different. वो जो पहला प्यार होता है और वो उसका मजा ही अलग है. And we're glad that the audience also liked it so much. And then we kept on making more seasons of the show. And we also, like, I'm super proud of everyone who was associated with the show. Like the director Apoor Singh Karki, he's killing it. He's making such amazing films. Tanya Maniktala is killing it, and she's killing it on how
kill.
Yeah, very kill, exactly kill. So she's a beautiful human being. I really love her.
So what was the first conversation when you and Tanya on day one?
Nothing. I think we shook hands and we smiled and reading करी, फिर दोस्ती हो गई. And then they used to show me around Delhi, like after every day of shoot. I used to
Delhi.
They used to show me around Delhi, make me eat all the nice food. And so much so कि अब तो मैं जब भी दिल्ली जाता हूँ, I make it a point to go to Tanya's place, go to Sonakshi's place, go to Shivam's place. Like their families also, like we're all that, because we've done 4 seasons together. It's been so long. So and they treat me like family. Like मैं उनके घर रुक जाता हूँ.
Oh wow.
और इतना बढ़िया खाना खिलाते हैं, इतना ध्यान रखते हैं.
So Tanya was originally from Delhi, or?
Tanya's from Delhi.
Achha,
yeah,
okay.
Tanya's from Delhi. All of them are from Delhi. So that's how we started talking. And of course, as you keep on working, you establish a friendship, you grow closer. And वो भी उस चीज़ की भी स्पेशलिटी है कि फर्स्ट सीजन में ऑफ कोर्स पहली बार में तो एक ऑकवर्डनेस एक होती है. बट नाउ वी ऑल नो ईच अदर सो वेल दैट there's no, like, you can do anything in a scene and I know that she can pick it up and she can give it back to me. So that's what makes it even better, like that
That's
chemistry.
amazing. Now another show that I really love is Campus Diaries.
Yeah.
So linking this in that, now with Flames, also when you did Flames, you were quite young. You were still how old?
I was 16, 17. Yeah.
You've spoken about this, so I don't know if I should ask you this again. Now I wanted to ask, the question was going to be, did you even fall in love by the time you shot something like Flames? But considering you
On
already
set?
no,
हाँ
जिंदगी में
हाँ यार.
तो हो
Of
गया था
course.
10th में, of course.
Of course,
So,
of course.
how similar was, so with Campus Diaries obviously was a campus wala setup ka shoot. Flames also had that romantic angle. So I want to know your past self. How's Ritvik in school? Any core memories that were similar to the show?
In school, I was, like I said, कि I was always a very
Shy.
reserved kid, so मैं ज़्यादा मस्ती नहीं करता था. मस्ती करता भी था तो पकड़ा नहीं जाता था, मतलब मस्ती करी और फिर चुप हो गया तो मैं बच जाता था हमेशा. बट धीरे धीरे फिर मेरे जो बचपन के दोस्त थे, हम कभी सेम क्लास में आए नहीं थे.
Oh.
And then 9th and 10th we were in the same class. So
Oh,
all of us in one class. They made the worst mistake of their lives. School people. So वो 2 साल बहुत मस्ती करी है. बहुत, मतलब जो साल आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए वो 2 साल हमने सबसे ज़्यादा मस्ती
Oh,
करी है.
9th and 10th, yeah.
9th and 10th तो अरे बहुत कुछ करा यार. So that was, and we were in the school team, like football team, and so I was very involved that way. I used to play football. Academics, I was good. I was not the best, like 85-90% के बीच आता था
That's
मुझे.
good, Ritvik.
हाँ,
Come
but
on.
नहीं, but तभी
Humble
नहीं,
Max.
my friends were scoring 93, 94, तो वो that was the benchmark for me. But yeah, but that was how I was as a student. And of course, yeah, like after Ferrari, थोड़ा एक perks तो थे स्कूल में. like, थोड़ा होमवर्क ऊपर नीचे हो जाए तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है. 1-2 दिन और मिल जाते तो
Oh, those
छोटे-मोटे
perks.
perks
I was
है.
thinking of something else.
नहीं, oh अच्छा, वो that way. अरे.
Okay. But my question is also going to be the same. Like in school, did you have like go-to places, secret make-out spots? What was it in school?
यार मेकआउट तो स्कूल में तो सोचा भी नहीं था, because it was like, I don't know, I used to be very scared of all of this. Like I remember my then girlfriend in school, the closest we've gotten was probably held our
Holding hands, yeah.
holding hands, and that was the world to us. Like, oh
Yeah,
shit.
in school.
और वो ऐसा होता था कि आज स्कूल के बाद मिलते हैं, हाथ पकड़ते हैं. So that was, and we used to look forward to that,
Oh
right?
my god.
So वो होता था, and then I remember.
ये पहला heartbreak इसी phase में हुआ था, hand
सोचो
holding
आप,
phase.
सोचो वही तो.
Oh my god.
सोचो. एंड देन समोसा पाव मिलता था मेरे स्कूल के बाद, मिलता है मतलब अभी.
स्कूल का नाम भी बता दो.
गोकुलधाम हाई स्कूल, सॉरी, गोरेगांव में, एंड बेस्ट स्कूल एवर. एंड उसके बाहर भवानी स्वीट्स करके एक शॉप है जहाँ पे समोसा पाव मिलता था. विच इज द बेस्ट समोसा पाव एवर. उनमें उनका थोड़ा पसीना वसीना भी जाता है तो इट टेस्ट इवन बेटर. इट्स लाइक इट्स द परफेक्ट टेस्ट, राइट? तो हम, और क्या होता था कि हमारे पास पैसे तो होते नहीं थे, मतलब महीने के 100 रुपये मिलते थे, जिसमें मुझे और मेरे दोस्तों को फुटबॉल से आने जाने का भी निकालना, ट्रेनिंग का, और थोड़े बहुत जो भी हमारे खर्चे होते थे 10-5 रुपये के, जो भी चिप्स ले लिया, कुछ ले लिया. तो जब पैसे ख़त्म हो जाते थे तो हम इतने बेशर्म थे, हम दोस्त लोगों से जाके कि आज 10 रुपये उधार दे दे, कल दे देंगे,
किससे?
ये कर देंगे. भाई हमारे बैच में से किसी के पास भी चले जाओ.
अच्छा होगी, हाँ.
या हमारा एक दोस्त है रोमर, वो बेचारे से हमने बहुत उधार लिए, मतलब आज
दिए
अगर रिटर्न
वापस?
करने जाए तो लाखों में होगा उसका बैकलॉग. इतने समोसा पाव खाए हमने उसके
Oh
पैसों
my
से.
god.
So these used to be like, the cheap thrills, and like going to a mall and just doing window shopping.
I still can't get over hand holding Ritvik. Wait,
Yeah.
I'm trying to get over.
Oh yeah.
It's mad. But in an interview you mentioned before that you've never been on dating sites. This was like years ago.
Yeah.
But now that
Yeah.
there's a dating site for celebs specifically, it's
Yeah.
called Raya.
Yeah.
Has your scene changed? Have you been on?
I've been on it. Yes, I've been on it. But ठीक
Have
था,
you
मतलब it was
found-
only a month that I was on it.
Did you find someone? Did you chat? How did it go?
हाँ, chat वाट किया था, but it was more of a, I wanted to see like
Who's
how,
there?
who's there and how these dating apps work.
Okay.
Like I wanted to see, because I had, of course, people around me use it, and I used to find it fascinating ki, like how does this work? Like you swipe right on someone and then you like, but then what do you talk, because you've not met this person and all that.
But
So
I
the-
still think Raya would be different considering you know the person.
Yeah,
It's still
probably.
a celebrity only
Probably.
in your same circle.
Uh-huh.
So doesn't that make it easy somehow?
it is easier because it's easier to talk also, then
Yeah.
you can talk about the same things or mutual things that way. But it was probably for a month, and Yeah, then I got off it.
Did anything
That
happen? You didn't find anybody?
Nah.
कुछ serious नहीं हुआ था?
नहीं.
Now I'm a little shocked. I want to know who was on this. Okay. Now my next question is all your characters. Obviously, I have to tell you, since then all the characters have made me cry. I think since Flames, जो भी आपने play किया has always been these heartbroken वाले characters. So I want to know the real life Hrithwik as an Ashik. How is he?
Yeah,
Do you get
I'm
like
an all-in.
really attached?
Yeah, fully. I'm an all-in kind of a person. Then, if I love someone, then I'm fully into it.
What's your love language?
My love language is doing small things that matter much, sort of a thing. Like, if you say ki, you know, I like these kind of flowers, I'll go and get those flowers for you. Or like if you had a good day at work, I'll come with something like a dessert or a piece of cake or whatever. Like, or just showing up for them and every day, and just physical touch is also something I like, hugging, showing my affection that way. I do this a lot to my partner. And that's one thing that I do. And I think I'm truly myself with the people that I love. Like, I don't have any filters. I will share anything and everything about my day, which I don't usually do
Okay.
to anyone. And they're like my safe space, you know. They, like, I should be able to feel safe around them. I should. And love for me is like just knowing, probably if we're at a party and they're in one corner of the room and I'm here, but I still feel happy that, oh, she's there, right? It doesn't have to be there. We need to talk all the time. Or just their presence is enough. So I like that. I like that old school sort of, you know, just being all in for that one person, and vice versa. That's what I really like and really value.
I think that makes so much sense. I don't know who said it. I think it was Karan Kundra. But if all of y'all are in one room, and then if she's standing in another corner, you're here, and it's just only eye contact that you all have in a room, that's also romantic.
Exactly.
Which is very beautiful.
Exactly.
So what are the top 3 qualities then you look for a girl? You said obviously you have to feel safe around them.
Yeah.
Like that, is
but
there
chalo,
any
that's
other-
my thing. Probably in a person, a good sense of humor, or at least an appetite for humor, because I love cracking jokes.
Oh my god.
And my jokes can be very silly at times. So yeah, if they can just laugh along with me. I
you would
think-
be very bad at pickup lines, no? Then
Yeah,
I feel
suck
like
at
you would be
pickup lines.
terrible at
I
it.
suck at pickup lines. But
That's why you're not using dating sites.
exactly, see,
Hrithwik.
exactly.
Okay.
But so that's one thing that I really like in a person, a good sense of humor. I'm a sucker for like eyes.
Okay.
Like I really,
That's the first thing you notice.
yeah, first thing I notice in a person, eyes. And probably the third thing would be kindness, probably.
तो वो पहले मीटिंग में कैसे ही पता चला?
No, yeah, like you just sense it, like एक energy आती है, or how they interact with people, or how they talk to you, or like, you know, just a general that way.
I have to tell you,
That is attractive, yeah.
your eyes are very pretty, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
I haven't stopped
Oh,
staring.
blushing away.
Okay, now we will quickly deep dive into our game segment. It's a quick game. It's called Rate, Relate, Recreate with Hrithwik Sahu.
Okay.
So what I will do here is I will give you names of your co-stars. You need to rate, relate, recreate. So what this means is you have to rate first your score with them, on-screen chemistry ka. Second is relate. Relate means a one fun anecdote that you had with them, like your best memory on set. Third one is recreate. You need to quickly enact this co-star. It can be anything, like one sentence that this person uses a lot,
ठीक है.
or ये तो बहुत बोल दिए ये. Anything that you want to enact of this person.
चलो,
Okay.
ठीक है.
The first person is Tanya Maniktala. First one, rate.
Rate. On-screen chemistry, 10 on 10. Brother, it's 10 on 10.
Relate.
First time in Delhi, and it's a nice memory. All 4 of us were there. But these guys were showing me around, and we went to India Gate, and like we were around that area, and we were blowing those bubbles and buying balloons and doing all the
Oh, that's
stupid,
so
silly kind of
cute.
things, all of us. So that is one memory that I have. And the third one was recreate, na?
Haan,
Recreate.
anything. Just enact Tanya.
So Tanya is she's also very shy, but a very, very kind, like a genuinely nice person, okay? So she'll always be like, जी कैसे हो आप? खाना खाया आपने? कोई भी उनको दिख जाएगा सेट पे कहीं भी होंगे तो आपने खाना खाया और एंड शी मीन्स इट लाइक इफ किसी ने नहीं खाया होगा शी टेक इट फ्रॉम अ प्लेट एंड शी गिव टू देम शी मेक श्योर या शी इज दैट वे तो उसका भी रहता है हाँ जी कैसे हो आप ये एंड शी फेक लाफ्स आल्सो आई हैव नोटिस्ड दिस अबाउट हर I never said it to her but she fake laughs a lot and I know when she fake laughs so yeah
Okay, the second person is Ehsas Channa.
Ehsas rate my chemistry a 9 on 10 with her because I need to do more. I think probably we can be an 11 on 10.
Oh my god.
But I think we need to
I
do
need
more
to see
things
this
together.
come back.
We always work. Oh, I have a very funny story and a crazy story about Ehsas. So the building where I live in Kandivali बहुत पहले वहाँ शूट हो रहा था एक I think Oh My Friend Ganesha है किसी का ठीक है and I had done movies तभी and Ehsas was shooting for that film right she was the lead in that film
Yeah. It's still
And-
very known, yeah.
yeah so I don't know if it was My Friend Ganesha or some other film but yeah so of course हम सारे पागल हो गए शूटिंग चल रही है वैनिटी वैन्स खड़ी हैं ये है वो है
Oh wow.
मैं और मेरे दोस्त भागे नीचे and we met Ehsas and she was super sweet यार She was
बच्चे थे
nice.
क्या
बच्चे भी
sweet?
थे मतलब हाँ but still यार she was very nice
You're
she played
telling
with
me
us
it's not like kids would have attitude कि हाँ मैं actor
you
हूँ.
never know यार
Really?
yeah absolutely
Oh god, okay.
so she was very nice and then we played Pakram Pakrai together and all that and और मैं तो ये हो गया था यार ये एक्टर के साथ I played Pakram Pakrai and then I asked for an autograph she gave me an autograph and then
You asked for autograph
yeah
also?
of course she gave me an autograph
Oh my
also
god.
and then I asked for a number so she gave me a number telephone number और मैं इतना पागल था मैं उसके घर पे रोज कॉल करता था
What the
कि
hell?
आज एहसास आएगी क्या आज एहसास आएगी और someone used to pick up and then used to like यार कौन है ये तो नो उठाना ही बंद कर दे एक पॉइंट के बाद
Shit, it's a real number दिया था उसने
हाँ हाँ
ना?
टेलीफोन करके
Oh, wow.
टेलीफोन नंबर दिया था बेचारी ने गलती कर दी थी मुझे देखे बट so that happened and then I met her on awkward conversations
You told her this?
and I told her this story she laughed her ass off like कि भाई क्या बंदा है तू
Oh,
but
damn.
but she's a sweetheart यार she's a sweetheart and I love her this is what we always do हम कहीं भी हम shoots पे ही मिलते हैं हम वैसे नहीं मिलते कहीं भी ठीक है मतलब हम प्लान करते हैं तो हम कभी भी मिलेंगे ना अभी recently only I met her for an ad shoot and like she came to the one we met and he's like कि अपन मिलते हैं बोला हाँ मिलते हैं और हमारा हर बार यही होता है we'll plan this time for sure and never happens
Oh my god.
but yeah hopefully this time if Ehsas you're watching this
The third person is Avneet Kaur.
Avneet Kaur यार Avneet I worked with
Way back.
way
yeah.
back for
Yeah.
Chidiya Khana. First thing was rate,
Okay.
right? That was probably 8 on 10 with Avneet because we didn't really talk much. जब हमारे scenes होते थे थोड़ी बहुत हम बात करते थे
हाँ, that's true.
and उतना ही होता था. She's a very talented actor and like she's
Since then,
kinda- oh yeah. Since then like we all used to be in offer कि वो आती थी अपना scene kill करके चली जाती थी. So that's one memory of her and a very nice fun choppy girl.
Next person is Rashmi Agdekar.
Rashmi Agdekar. Rashmi chemistry would be 9 on 10 for sure. See, I always leave scope for improvement for myself.
Yeah, it's
for
only
myself.
Tanya के साथ 10 दिया है.
Yeah, Tanya, I've done 4 seasons and we have that friendship.
fair,
and
fair.
I feel that way too. 10 on 10.
Relate and recreate with Rashmi.
Whenever we meet at parties, we have a mutual friend. हम उनके parties पे मिलते हैं. So we're the always the ones who are in a corner and talking and cracking
अरे
silly jokes.
shy gang.
हाँ, शायद भी नहीं मतलब हमें मजे आते हैं हमें cracking silly jokes and doing other we're telling each other about our travel plans and where we're going to travel and what we're going to do.
Then the last year Saloni Patel.
Saloni, arey, she's a sweetheart. Saloni, I love Saloni. 10 on 10.
Arey,
chemistry, Saloni.
wow.
Absolutely. Anyone in Campus Diaries, I love them deeply. It's just one of those shows or casts that come by very rarely. I'm very fortunate I've had these experiences in 3 projects of mine, Dangal, Flames and Campus Diaries.
Yeah.
And I'm blessed because Saloni, यार वो तो मतलब वहाँ पे तो मैं हूँ, हर्ष बेनीवाल है, अभिनव शर्मा है, सृष्टि रंदानी है, सलोनी पटेल है. You know, there could have been anything. There was 5-6 people,
Yeah.
parallelly working together. Ranjan hai. But it all went so smoothly, and we were so encouraging of each other, and there was so much fun, and it was such a nice, positive environment that it was like a vacation for us, like those 3 months making that show. And I wish I could do it every year. and do it
wow.
with them. But that's how much I love Saloni also, and she just became a mother as well. And we're all,
Oh.
yeah. Relate would be so we have a decent age gap, but it never felt as if, you know, I'm talking to someone who's
He's
older to
older?
me. Yeah, you know कि कुछ common बात नहीं है. She's so full of life and so full of masti. They have the wildest jokes. If you leave Shrishti and Saloni in a room, you'll laugh your
They
heart
have that
out.
show anyway.
Oh, they
together.
yes, two girls also.
Which is mad.
Yeah.
I
it's
saw
mad.
your interview only with them. It was so
Yeah.
crazy.
They're
the
crazy.
vibe, the energy.
You know
it's
what?
mad.
That interview was toned down.
Toned down.
Toned
That was
down.
toned down.
They're
No
even
way.
they're even better in like when
Oh
cameras are not rolling. They're
God.
crazy. When Campus Life is happening and I got to know that I'm going to be playing the role of Abhilash opposite Saloni, and it's going to be a love interest or one-sided whatever. But and she had just gotten married Tavi, I think, and so I was very nervous. Yeah, I was very scared. Ki how can I?
Romance
Like,
someone.
I
who
don't
just
know.
got-
Yeah, man. I was making these things up in my head, and I never told anyone. But we did readings, and we all, you know, did our part, and then we went on floors, and you know, things happened, and then we realized ki it's all like it's so comfortable here, and you know, it's such a nice friendship कि वो thought कभी बाद में cross ही नहीं करा कि हम आ रहे हैं काम कर रहे हैं अपना जा रहे हैं मस्ती कर रहे हैं सो जा रहे हैं. You know, that's what was happening. So I think and of course big ups to the team also
Yeah,
for
yeah,
making it possible for all of us. So that is one, but I remember being very scared. वो आगे पीट वीट देंगे. So that and recreate. यार गाली देती है सलोनी यार, मैं कैसे करूँ recreate?
हम बीप कर देंगे बोल दो.
कैसा यार कहाँ है तू आजकल यार, मिलता ही नहीं है यार.
ये एहसास और सलोनी के साथ यही चल रहा है क्या
हाँ.
आपका? ओके, द लास्ट वी हैव इज गायत्री एंड सृष्टि.
गायत्री and Shrishti.
गायत्री भारद्वाज, सृष्टि रंधारी.
Gayatri again 10 on 10 on screen. Relate यार गायत्री का तो इतने like just I remember and she's a good driver as well. I remember we were shooting for Highway Love and we were not rigged, and there was this scene where she has to drive and I have to look at her and she has to look at me and we have to be
Oh
in
my
love.
God,
But
okay.
the eyes are not on the road. And man, I couldn't
were
like
scared.
focus on the scene. I was constantly like this and I was like this. So they're like, क्या कर रहा है भाई? Trust her. No,
Romance
but she's a
कर ले.
phenomenal driver. She drives better than me probably.
Okay.
But yeah, and like but with Gayatri, I had a great time and recreate. She'll always check herself like before a shot. That's, I mean, if you look that good, of course, it's best you do that. So probably that. Like she'll be like do this before a shot.
Okay. And the last one is Srishti.
Shrishti. Chemistry. Actually, I think Shrishti and I would be a 9 on 10. With a scope for 10 on 10. The thing with her is that when you meet her, you won't take her that seriously. कि है मस्ती मजाक करती है, but when she's working, she knows her thing. She knows her thing, and she's such a good actor. She's crazy that way. So I'm really inspired by her. So and 9 on 10 on that. Relate. I think every moment spent with Shrishti is a core memory because I never laugh around anyone as much as I laugh around her.
Yeah, seems like it.
She'll always have something silly to say about something.
Now the next question is, with that we were done with our game segment. This was great. It was really fun.
Yeah, good fun.
Yes. Now the next one is, I want to know who's the first friend you made in the industry since you joined when you were like 12 years old.
First was Manmeet Prem in Ferrari Ki Savari. I remember. And I think I'd also like to call Sharman sir and Baman sir my friends back then because they never treated me as a kid.
Okay.
In the sense that like I was given that extra special treatment, but they never put me aside just because I was a kid. They talked to me. They used to make me, like, we both had PSPs, so we all used to play PSPs together, PlayStation in the van, and they used to call me to the van. They used to like give me cold drinks and all that, and spoil me. And
Wah.
I learned so much about the craft from them, about acting from them. Yeah, there's a few people that I hold really close to me from the people that I've worked with, there's Mr. Apar Shakti Khurana.
Oh yes.
He's like a brother to me. I look up to him, and he's a friend's friend. He's a brother's brother. He's just everything that you want a person to be, and he's really like looked after me, and you know. So yeah, that's Apar Shakti. There's Sania Malhotra.
Oh.
That I
of course.
really love and adore. She's a beautiful person. There's Harsh Beniwal.
From campus.
मेरा
of
जिगर का
course.
टुकड़ा है, बिल्कुल. I love him. Everyone from Campus Diaries, in fact. But I think Harsh and I spend a lot of time
Yeah.
together.
Quite the vibe also on the show. Also, your chemistry with the both
Yeah,
of you as
yeah,
friends
yeah.
were mad.
So we spend a lot of time together. I love him to death. There's the whole Flames cast. There's Tanya. There's Shivam. There's Sonakshi, and like I really miss them because they're also in Delhi. We don't meet as
Yeah,
often, but
true.
whenever we meet, it's like, you know, we met
No time has
yesterday.
passed.
Yeah. And it just gives me immense pride to, you know, see them doing what they're doing.
Yeah.
All of these people, like, you know, we started out together and now they're killing it, and you know, and the best part is that they're still the same. Neither of them has changed over the years. In spite of getting so much success, love, everything, they're still the same.
So, who would you go for if you needed like advice, career advice? If you had to go to one person from the industry, who would it be?
Apar bhaiya.
If you had to party till late, who would it be?
Harsh Beniwal. Harsh Beniwal.
I had another one. I can't remember. Workout, who would you? If you really needed motivation to work out and you had to reach out to someone.
Could be Gayatri Bhardwaj.
Really?
Yeah. I
Oh,
want to mention
wow.
Gayatri is also lovely, like one of the closest friends I have. Gayatri Bhardwaj, she works out like anything. And Harsh Beniwal. उसने अभी body बना लिया तो वो
And
Yeah.
relationship advice, who would you go to?
relationship advice, I'd go to my parents.
Really, no one
Yeah.
from the industry? You really don't think anyone's worth?
No, of course they're worth, but it's more personal, right? So I'd rather go to someone who knows me well,
That's
like
true. That's
really
true.
well. No one knows me better than my parents.
Okay, now amongst all of the characters that you've played, who's the closest to Ritwik Sahur? Matlab, who's the most similar to you?
I think Rajjo from Flames.
Oh,
Yeah. I think
yeah, that's
Rajjo-
one character everyone's related to also. So it's good to know
Yeah,
that
that's why I
Ritwik
think the
also.
closest to me. Yeah.
Now you've recently done Jamna Par Highway Love Season 2. What are we expecting from Ritwik in 2025? Are you going to play something that's completely different from all of these?
Yeah, I'm probably working towards something. Can't talk about it right now, but yeah, and that's the aim as an actor, to try and do something different. But exciting things coming up, definitely.
Will we
Next year.
see a boy in a playing the guitar?
Oh, I
coming
hope
up
so.
in
I
the
hope so.
future?
I hope so. Fingers crossed.
Okay. Now with that, obviously we end our conversations with manifestations. So what's your manifestation for the year 2025? What are you looking forward to? What's the one thing you want to manifest and leave today?
I want 2025 to be the happiest year for myself, my family, my friends, and probably a film.
A film.
Yeah,
Okay.
in 2025. So let's see.
I have like every typical auntie I almost want to ask, शादी कब कर रहे हो?
वो तो time है, वो तो time है. वो तो
कितना? How old are you now? 29?
25.
25?
Yeah.
I thought you were older for some
No, I'm
reason.
25. 25.
This is what happens to child actors, guys. They
Yeah,
start
वही-
off so young.
कितने
You're
बड़े हो
like,
जाओ, छोटे
"Wait."
रहते
You're still 25? Oh
25.
damn. Okay, तो फिर तो बहुत वक्त है. I
है ना, है,
agree.
time है.
Correct, correct.
Thank you.
Thanks.
मम्मी, time है.
Okay, with that we come to the end of our conversation with Ritwik Sahur. Make sure you all tune into our next episode with your next favorite artist. For now, let's say bye to Ritwik.
Thank you so
Bye.
much. Thank you so much for having me. I had a ball of a time, and thank you for watching.
Yeah.